Excited to share with you the Client Notes Library feature. Many of you have been asking for this for a while. So let's explain what's in it for you. First of all, it's going to help you optimize your meeting prep, like adding next meeting items, avoiding duplicate work, and preparing advisor agendas, and a lot more. Let's dive directly in. If you go into the workspace, you'll see a new button called Client Notes. From there, when you click that, it's going to pull up a library. These are all of the notes that you have added over time to the client. This could be among various different meetings you've had. You can cycle through this if you want to go by meetings as well. So if you want to particularly go look at one meeting which you talked about, you can. Otherwise, in this case, I'm going to show you how you can use the filters by using all appointments, first of all, as set up, and then using filters. We've introduced a new filtering system as well, and there's going to be very, very powerful for you to use. So in this case, I'm going to look for items that are something that I need to make sure that I always prepare for. So in this case, next meeting items, I can pull up. Here's all of my next meeting items that I were tagged previously. And I can now read through and say which one I want to incorporate into this particular meeting. And so I'm going to go ahead and click a couple of options here. And once I have both of these options, what we'll do is we'll add them into this. As you add them, we have created a new type of a note. It's called a mirror note. We don't want to duplicate and make a mess in your database of the same thing over and over and over. So we'll now create mirror notes for you. I'll go ahead and also bring in, now show you how you can use this system for advisor type of agenda, where maybe you always have certain information that is repeating throughout and you don't need to prep it every time. It's just like, for example, date of birth and information like financial planning fee. So here I've added a note just like that previously, and now I can mirror copy that and add it in. The original will always exist, but this is a mirror copy, so you don't have to repeat this work, right? If most of this information doesn't change a lot, right? So this is why that's there. In this way, you can now add this to the agenda as well, and you can create a special agenda just for an advisor. So for example, here, I'm showing you how that could look like for you. So you can now have that with a couple of clicks rather than spending time creating that. Please reach out to us if you need help using this feature. Thank you so much.